Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIEVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant English teacher of National Ideal University School. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8. Dear students, our today's topic is email. So first of all, we have to know that what email is. Email is the process of sending and receiving messages from one computer to another computer. And email is of two kinds, formal email and informal email. You know that formal email deals with formally. That means informal email, you can't use any slang or any abbreviation, and it also deals with a structure, but informal email has not that kinds of bindings. So it deals with between two friends who are known to all or to each other, and on your exam script you will get email at question number 15, and email is very important, tiny and easiest topic, although it contains 10 marks. So it's very important, dear students. So be careful about writing emails. So first of all, come to the board. At the time of writing email, you have to be careful in 4 places. First of all is to whom you are writing the email. Second is the subject. The email must contain a subject. Then greetings, dear someone, that is called greetings. Then the body. Body, it may be too much small or too much big, doesn't matter, but it should contains the message. Body, how long, how short, doesn't matter, but it matters if it contains the main topic or main subject matter. Then the ending. It finishes with faithfully yours or yours ever, like this. So you should be careful about these 4 or 5 places. So today I have written an email for your CW, that is, write an email to your friend congratulating his or her on his or her brilliant success in JSC examination. This email is very much important, dear students. So to write the answer of these questions, first of all we need to write 2. So after written 2, we will write the email address where we are going to write or to whom we are going to write the email. After that, we will have to write the subject. Subject is congratulations for your brilliant success. Dear students, subject is very important, so be careful here. After that, greetings. That means to whom you are going to write the email. Dear Abir. So after finishing these formalities, you will come to the main body of the email. Main body, how long or how short, doesn't matter, but if it contains the total meaning or total message, that's enough. My joys knew no bounds when I came to know that you got GPA 5 in the junior school certificate examination. Please accept my heartiest congratulations on your brilliant success. You are really worthy of this result. My parents are also happy to learn of your brilliant success. I am sure that this result will encourage you to do better in your future life. This is the main body. After that, best wishes for you and all. Take care of your health. After that, also important portion, that your loving friend XYZ or any name. Here you also may write that yours ever or faithfully yours or sincerely, like this. And this is all about this email, and you also have a HW, and the HW topic is your class friends wants to go on a picnic at Sonargaon. Badhan is one of your intimate friends. Now write an email to him to join the picnic. Dear students, this is also an easiest topic. So you have to write it at home. So to write it, you will write to, that means to whom you are going to write the email, his or her email address. Then you have to write subject, inviting or something like that, to join a picnic. Then greetings, then you will write the body, then the ending sign. In this how you will be able to write the email very carefully. And another one topic, that is, it would be best formula for you to write the email in one page. And if your handwriting is very much big, then you will not be able to finish it in one page. So on that time you will try to start the email from this page and you will finish that page. But it is not the good process. The good process is that you will finish the email in only one page. Okay? And if you can't, in case you can't finish it in one page, that means your handwriting is very much big, or you can't, or the topic is very much big, then you will start the email from this page and you will finish from that page. But if your handwriting is very much big and if you think that it will not be finished in one page, on that time you will not start writing the email from this page and will not finish the email on that page. So be careful about writing the email. So dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all have understood today's class. For your better understanding, practice it at home more and more. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.